Have you had your Instagram ads fail? Have you had influencer marketing not go the way that you hoped it would? Or have you had Facebook ads just not work? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through Facebook Ads Manager so you can confidently create your own ads. You can manage your own creative, you can see what the ROI is, and you can do this confidently at your own pace. So this video will help you manage your own ads, know where to place your ads, and how to organize them. Go at your own pace, be confident in what you're doing, and with that, let's get to work. Okay, so first things first, you go to business.facebook.com and make sure that you're in your business account and make sure that you have an ad account. It's so important. Make sure that your Instagram is also connected. On the left-hand column is where all of this information is going to be. This is going to be super crucial to a lot of the stuff that you do and will do on Facebook Ads Manager. So once you're here, what you're going to do is you're going to go right on the left-hand side where it says Ads Manager, and you're going to go into Campaigns. This is where all the magic happens. On Instagram, if you hit Boost Post, essentially it's kind of like this, but this is way more powerful. What we're going to do here is we're going to create an ad. Before you create your ad, you should have a general idea of what kind of output you want from your creative. Are you trying to grow your Instagram, your Facebook page? Are you trying to get more email leads? What are you trying to get done? And so with that in mind, you'll know exactly what your dollar amount spent is worth for you. Here you have awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, and sales. What we're going to do is we're going to do traffic because what we want is landing page views. I want people to go to our website and click a contact us form. I can also do this via Facebook getting leads, which is one of the things that they recommend. The other thing that they're recommending here is engagement. This is so you can get more video views, post engagements, and conversations. It's a great way to get the conversation started for your company, and then later you can retarget people based off of the engagement that they do. So let's just go ahead and do traffic because I do want the landing view clicks. Go ahead and hit continue. We're going to go ahead and use a manual traffic campaign. Go ahead and hit continue. And now what we're going to title this is kind of like the top of the campaign. Again, our goal right here is to do traffic to our website, and we're going to go ahead and hit next. Unless you're doing some sort of social cause or housing or some sort of special ad category, you don't have to worry about that. So we'll go ahead and hit next. You want to name your ad set, new traffic ad set. You know it's a tutorial. That's kind of like the top of it. Broad. Because I know that this ad set is for business owners and it's going to be broad. And I'll show you guys what I mean by that. Okay, the conversion, where do we want them to go? I want them to go to my website. This is where you can get Instagram messages, Facebook messages, or calls, but I specifically want website traffic. Then you have your daily budget. This is where it's important. This is when if you're spending money on Facebook ads and you want to know what happens with that money, this is important. For every dollar you spend, right here, here's your $20 ad spend. On your right-hand side, you'll see what the potential outcome is, what your estimated daily reach is. And so right now, because it's targeting the entire United States, for $20 a day, very broad audience, I can reach between 8,000 to 23,000 people, and I'll get 382 clicks to 1,000 clicks. That's what it's telling me. But what we're going to do is we're actually going to fine tune this so it benefits the goal that we want. And this is where you do it. We're going to go to Advantage Plus Audience, and we're going to switch to Original Audience. And the reason I'm switching to an Original Audience is because I want to have more control of the people that I target. That way, again, you know you're targeting the people that you want to target, and you're not guessing on who your audience is or who's seeing your ad. Even though we're keeping it super broad in the United States, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the age. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a, let's say, 28-year-old to a 55-year-old. I believe that somewhere around this age, you're in some sort of business opportunity if you're one of our clients, because it's a general contractor, dentist, dog groomers, or restaurant owners, stuff like that, right? Like they're around this age. So now let's go into our demographics. And here's where you define who you want to target. Now, I want to go from 18 to 55-year-olds. Now, who exactly in this age group? Small business owner. And I'm just curious, kind of see what happens. Small business owners' behaviors. All right, now let's get a little bit more granular. So let's go to like potentially 394 clicks a day, 394 to 1,000. All right, this is where we define our audience, and you can get as granular as you want. The most important thing that you'll see here, if you're a business owner, is your dollar amount. So you have to see what it's worth it for you. If you're trying to get emails, what is one email worth it to you? How much are you willing to pay for that one email, for one sale, for one lead, whatever it is? And you need to know how much money you're willing to put into it, because the reach and everything looks exciting, but until you start putting your dollar bills behind it, you won't know what the reality is behind it. Tutorial, business broad owner. Now we're going to name what the ad is, and we're going to call this a nature calls. Whoops. Nature calls video. And we're going to manually upload this. This will be a single image video. We're not going to do a multi-advertiser ad, and I won't go into details. I just want you to have full control of your own ad. Now let's go to the website destination that we want. We want to go to Fruitstand Studios, but on this, I actually want them to go to our work page. I want them to see the work that we've done, and also I want people to see this new video that we made with fake brands. So I want people to see this and also this other ad. So let's go ahead and copy this link. And then our destination will be right here. And now on this right hand side, you'll start seeing the ad kind of appear to what it will look like and where it's going to go. What you want to do is you want to go into placements, and you want to be able to see where your ads are going. So not only who you're targeting, but where, if it's on Instagram, if it's on Facebook, desktop, mobile, Reels, feed, whatever. This is where you can kind of see this. So I'm going to go ahead and hit edit. I'm going to go to manual placements, and then this is where you have control. So Facebook, audience network, threads, Instagram, and Messenger. And right now it has everything basically selected, which is good because you'll be able to get huge reach. The problem is you want to be able to understand, again, where your dollar bills are being spent. So as I click certain things, what you'll see is on this right-hand side, the daily estimated reach is what's going to change. First things first, I don't want anything that has to do with the right column. I just don't think that is important. And as you can see right here, it's highlighted. I'm going to get rid of that. Instantly, we got a few more people. The other thing I don't care about is, it's kind of tricky, but I just don't care about apps and sites. I'm not sure what that is, but usually it's nothing important. You can see it didn't really change anything. And now you can go through and decide where you want your ad to be. Facebook feed, profile feed, Instagram profile feed, marketplace. I don't really care about marketplace. And that usually, well, actually that brought it up in Instagram Explorer, Facebook Business Explorer. Let's see what that does from 406 to keeps it at 406. Okay. That I know that the video I'm going to upload is a reel, and so I'll keep all the video stuff there. Threads, sure. Facebook notifications. Let's see what happens if we take that away. It still keeps it high, so I just don't care about the notifications. All right, now that I went over the placements, now you go to uploading your video. And what we're going to do is we're going to go right here to your ad creative. and we're going to add video. You can add images if you're going to do a carousel. On this one, I'm just going to do a video. I've already uploaded the video, so you'll see it here, but if it's not one that you've done or you want to upload a new one, you would just go ahead and hit upload. Let's go ahead and upload this video so you can see it play. And it's 30 seconds. Recommended is 15 seconds. That's okay. We'll just go ahead and hit play. And then it shows you here your original and then a square version. We'll just crop it, and then a horizontal version, and we'll crop it. So now this is what your ad is going to look like across these platforms. We'll go ahead and hit next. And then this is where you can tell people your primary text, your headline, and your call to action. So our primary text, this is like what the caption is. Enjoy more nature while your creative gets done. Something like that, just to give you an example. Then the headline, chat with us. I'm just going to say, let's get cooking. And then description, I'm just going to leave blank. Call to action, I'm going to say contact us. And what you'll see now on the ad preview, how it looks. Enjoy more nature while your creative gets done. I'm going to actually change this to business owners who want more nature time. We got you. That works. Headline, let's get cooking. Description, contact us. And yeah, we're going to track our website, which is Fruitstand Studios. And this is what the ad's going to look like. I mean, it's relatively simple, nothing crazy. And that, my friends, is how you do an ad. Not super crazy. The key thing is knowing what your goal is. In this case, I want landing page views that go to our work, because once they're on our page, if they really want to contact us, they can just go on the contact page and reach out to us that way. Hopefully this tutorial was really simple. As you can see, you just need to know what your goal is, how much money you're willing to spend, and you need to have some sort of creative ready. And that's where we come in, Fruitstand Studios. We'll make the creative that you need for your brand, and we can guide you through this process. You can do it yourself. But when you're ready to actually put real dollar bills behind your brand, that's where we come into play. Because when you're spending real money on creative and ads, you want the best content possible. But if you're just starting out and you're not really sure where to spend your money, like influencers or mailers or whatever it is, spend it on generating your email list using Facebook. That's what I would advise. If this was helpful, subscribe so you catch more of these videos, and share this with someone that could benefit from this. My name's Omar. I'll see you on the next one.